Hi there, I'm Petar and this is PetarSmiljana Qigong. Today I will try to say a few things about immune system and how we actually, by the way of life that we live, how we actually can heighten our immune system or just block it. And modern life which we live today is actually a modern way of life is actually blocking our immune system if we don't realize that and we don't do something about it. So food that we eat, then informations that we intake with our senses, for example, with our eyes, with our sight, with our ears, and so on, is usually stressful because we are surrounded with the negative information that we hear, for example, in the media, or I don't know, information that is imprinted, for example, in foods or in water. Do you remember the Japanese guy who used to take photos of frozen water, and the information that was imprinted inside this water was also imprinted in the crystals of that frozen water. And since we are basically based on water, our body is based on water. Also, our foods are more or less based on water. Well, you can imagine what kind of information this all that we intake has inside. So it's really important to, for example, to know where your food is coming from, or water that, well, the best water would be spring water, but we all don't live in such an environment that where we could get such water, and for example, we don't have also the opportunity to get fresh organic foods from organic farmers. I know that, but there are ways that we can change the information inside the water that we drink. We can filtrate it. We can also change the information inside the foods, and this is the energy work, and Qigong is very good for this. For example, when you do the Qigong, you generate the energy, and this extra energy you can transmit into your foods and into your water. But enough for that. I wanted to talk about the actually now I'm talking about a whole wider topic, but let's go back to the immune system. When we are under the stress, our cells shut off and the blood goes to periphery from our guts and from our stomach and from our body. The blood flows to limbs, so our legs and our arms. Why? Because we respond to stress into a fight or flight mode. And when we are relaxed, blood can go back to our body and start to regenerate and starts a growth cycle. We all grow all our lives. We should be also regenerating ourselves. But if we are under the stress, for example, all day long, and even during the nights, if we cannot relax, then we cannot regenerate, and body starts to collapse and we get sick. And this is where the Qigong can help. If you do the Qigong, you relax yourself. You are actually doing sort of meditation in movement. You are also breathing correctly. And if you are not breathing correctly, you are correcting your breathing. You're getting more and more relaxed. Well, Qigong can help, and what is also important is that when you are relaxed, you can start to feel the higher vibrations, which are not only about survival, but about connectedness with universe, compassion, love, not only romantic love, other higher vibrations, which are, I guess, more important, or at least that important, like survival. If you want to learn Qigong, we have 2 video courses available on our website, PetarSmiljana.com. One is for healers and the other is for travelers. Check it out. We also organize Qigong courses for groups and teach Qigong individually. See you next time. May the Qi be with you. Bye.